Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. I want to thank all of my subscribers for all the support you provided to this channel. It really means the world to me. I read through every single comment that you post and really appreciate it. It certainly makes me want to continue to make more great videos for you guys. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm having a giveaway to show my appreciation. I have these special camera covers for the Mavic Pro. They have the gimbal clamp that's integrated into the cover, so it's one piece instead of the two pieces that you have to deal with every time you want to fly with your Mavic Pro. Okay, it's solidly built as well. I do have a separate video that describes in detail the features, the benefits of this camera cover, so go ahead and check that out. There's a link in the description. Alright, so to enter this giveaway, it's really simple. 1, you need to like the video. 2, you need to be a subscriber. And 3, post a comment. That's it, you guys. Alright, so thanks for watching. Happy flying. Bye. Stop. You gotta sit. Stay. Right here.